Today we're going to make curry seafood with some vegetables, and the seafood will be crab meat. My kids can't wait to eat this. And here are just some spices. The first one here is paprika. It is cancer preventative, anti-inflammatory, immune boosting properties. The next one is turmeric root, and it's primarily benefits the anti-inflammatory, and it's a herb of the Ayurvedic medicine. Antibacterial, can be used to treat wounds. It's good for blood flow, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving blood flow, benefiting the vessels and good health. Cayenne is the one that's here, and it is very spicy. So careful when you're putting it into the dish. You might want to put a little bit and see how that goes. It is a great spice. It prevents heart attacks and strokes, prevents clots in the blood vessels, kills a stomach bacterium known to cause ulcers. I use pretty much garlic and ginger with every meal that I cook because it just flavors the whole meal very nicely without having to use any artificial colors, flavors. And garlic has treatments of heart disorder, high blood pressure, fungal infections such as candidiasis, and beneficial combating of all degenerative diseases. The ginger here helps out with lowering blood pressure, reduces fever, prevention of internal blood clots, reducing cholesterol, and also aiding circulation. It helps out with throat pain, kills cold viruses. So pretty much both of them I use, and during this time of COVID-19, it could really benefit your immune system. So let's start cooking. Our coconut oil in here. I'm going to throw in the crab meat. I'm going to put a little bit of the ginger in here and some garlic. I'm going to throw in these crab claws. These actually don't take long to cook, so this is why I have it on medium. If I need to lower the heat, I will. I'm going to put a little bit of Himalayan salt. And I'm going to put in a lot of the oregano, great for the immune system. All these are really medicinal and will help flavor the food at the same time. Keep stirring. Good. I'm going to throw in some fennel. I actually put crushed up fennel in this because it flavors the food really well. Here's some pepper. And now this is the time where I'm going to put in my paprika. Paprika is really not that spicy, but it has a lot of benefits. I'm going to put in all the curry spices right now, and I'm going to let it flavor up into this pan. Here comes the cayenne. My family can pretty much take a lot of the spice because we've gotten used to it little by little. Now they want more, and so I keep some on the side, and when they want more, they just add. So I'm just going to cover this up so this can marinate into the crab claw shell, and it'll just be delicious. Added some celery in here. Makes it look so much more brighter. And I'm going to cover it up so it can soften up a little bit. I'm making some salad. Here's some extra virgin olive oil and oregano, lime in there. And then we have this fermented cabbage, which is great. The mixture, it makes the salad really colorful. There we go, voila, we have a slaw. And here's my wonderful cat who's waiting so patiently for her food. Simba, I'm gonna finish cooking, and once I'm finished, I will get you your meal, okay? I love you. Almost done here. I'm gonna put some of this wonderful slaw on top of a pita that's made out of quinoa and romaine lettuce, which is like a romaine wrap, except that we have also the extra support of the pita, quinoa pita. So this is all dairy-free, gluten-free. For anyone who has any intolerances, anyone who has allergies to something, there is always a way, and we can always get creative no matter what issue somebody has, because right now we're going to eat for health and make it delicious at the same time. Right, guys?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Are you guys hungry?
Yes, it looks so good.
I'm happy to hear that, because I'm hungry too.
4, 3, 2,
1. Food Network, I'm done. There's a lot of benefits to this meal, and in the meantime, just remember, health starts in the kitchen and what you put in your body. Enjoy, have a nice day.